In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Slack on your phone. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, these steps are straightforward and easy to follow. First, we'll start by downloading the Slack app. Grab your phone and open the App Store if you're on an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android. In the search bar, type in Slack and it should readily appear as one of the top results. Once you've got it pulled up, simply tap on Install or Get to download the app to your device. This may take a moment depending on your network speed, so hang tight while it installs. Now that the app is downloaded and ready to go, look for the Slack icon, which should now be visible on your home screen, and give it a tap to open the app. As soon as you open it, you'll be greeted with a few options on how to proceed with signing in. Depending on how your Slack account was set up, you have several choices here. You can opt to sign in with your email by entering your Slack associated email address and password. This traditional method works well for most users. Alternatively, if your workspace utilizes Google or Apple logins, you can choose these options to sign in swiftly. Another option might include entering your workspace URL if that's how your account has been configured. For example, you'll enter something similar to your team.slack.com, replacing your team with the actual name of your Slack workspace. Once you've inputted the necessary login details, Slack may take an extra step to confirm it's really you. This is where a magic link or perhaps a 6-digit code comes into play. Watch your email inbox closely for this verification step. Open the email, tap on the magic link, or alternatively, take that 6-digit code and enter it into the Slack app. This helps to ensure the security of your account during the sign-in process. After you've successfully logged in, you're all set to begin using Slack. You'll see your dashboard with channels, direct messages, and notifications right at your fingertips. It's designed to be intuitive, so explore around and get comfortable. If you find yourself juggling more than one workspace, Slack has you covered. You can seamlessly add multiple workspaces by tapping on your workspace icon and selecting Add Another Workspace. And that's it. We've walked through downloading the app, opening it, signing in securely, and even mirroring across multiple workspaces if needed. Slack is now in the palm of your hand, ready to use whenever and wherever you want. So go ahead, dive into those channels, and start collaborating with your team. Thanks for watching, and happy slacking!